Alright, what's up guys? So I spent a couple days at the hotel, which was great to get out and like give ourselves some more space and take our minds off of the van getting fixed up. But I just came back in here and I realized that when I left, I plugged the fridge up to the power generator, which has more than enough power to power it for a couple days. But when I left, it was at 100%. And it is currently still at 100% because I forgot to turn it on. So suffice it to say, yeah, we need to go grocery shopping. But I'm gonna turn that into a positive because I'm just gonna do a whole chore day and show you guys a realistic day of van life where it's not all glam, not all adventurous stuff, and we actually just get work done. So Lars right now is trying to kill a fly, so he's doing his job, and I need to do mine by getting some more groceries, cleaning the van up, taking a shower, all that good stuff. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with us. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before Lars knocks the camera over, let's get started. All right, so I just got my clothes out of the washing machine, got some groceries. Now we need to hurry back to where we're gonna be sleeping tonight, which is the rest stop. And I need to clean that fridge out because I forgot to do that this morning and I don't want my new food to go bad. So yeah, let's go do that before it's too late. That could be a lot worse. I was expecting it to be a lot worse, but let's go ahead and clean it up with some Clorox wipes and get the new food in there before it goes bad. Okay. How's it looking here, buddy? Does it look good? Much better. So normally I would make a meal tonight, make some nice dinner for you guys to see some good cooking content. But honestly, I'm very tired. I procrastinated all day. It's like 11:30 right now, and I'm ready to just chill out and go to bed. Before that, I actually signed up for some online music courses, so I'm gonna do some of those, and then yeah, gonna head to bed. I'm gonna try to wake up early tomorrow morning so I can go to the gym and take a shower, maybe work out while it's still really cool outside. So yeah, hopefully that's what happens in the morning. I guess we'll find out. But I did want to say that at the time of me recording this right now, I just hit 80,000 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. And Lars wants to say thank you. I don't really know what else to say. That's all I can say is thank you guys so much for making this a reality, that I can actually do this and travel and see the world and share smiles and share laughs and share experiences with all these people at all these amazing places. It's only because of you guys, and for that I cannot thank you enough. So yeah, I hope you guys continue to ride with me on this beautiful journey called life. That's all I got. I'm gonna crank a fan on because it's getting really warm back here, and I'm gonna work on some music. And yeah, I will see you guys bright and early in the morning, hopefully, so we can hit the gym and do some workouts and take a shower. So see y'all in the morning. Peace. Lay. Good job. Oh. Good job, puppy. All right, let's get some sleep. You stepped right on my neck. So we're gonna go to the gym, okay? Wanna work out? All right, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna be dropping the van off in a couple days. So today I really need to organize, see what all I need to bring with me, what can stay in the van, all that good stuff. So yeah, I need to get busy with that. But before that, I'm gonna make a quick acai bowl for breakfast. And then that's all I got for today. I know this wasn't like a crazy adventurous day. This is the kind of day that I would have in between my film days. So this is just like a peek into what I normally do, just like tidying up so like the van looks pretty good for when I film, stuff like that. But yeah, let's make some breakfast real quick, and then yeah, that's all I got. This is my first time using this swivel chair since I actually left for full-time van life. But yeah, this is my smoothie bowl, acai bowl. I'm just gonna eat this, and then probably I need to go inside of Starbucks and charge my generator, and then I need to organize. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys all of that stuff, but that's what I'm doing today. So thanks again for joining me on this past 2 days of just like normal things that I normally would just cut out of the video. I am admittedly not a huge fan of red dragon fruit. Yeah. People have told me that the red dragon fruit with the red flesh is really good, but I've never been able to actually find that. I've only seen the red skin with the white flesh. So if you guys have had the red on red one, let me know if it's actually good, because this one, I got it because it didn't say what kind it was, so I thought maybe it could be the red on red. But yeah, I'm not a fan at all of this dragon fruit. I just want to say thank you to you guys for all the nice words on the last video that I dropped. You guys were so nice with all the positive words. Some of you even sent donations, which was not necessary, but I really appreciate it. I know that we're gonna get this solved, and me and Lars are gonna be on the road, going wherever we want soon enough. This is just like a little setback, but honestly, when I think of where I was this time last year, I can't complain about anything. So thank you guys so much for all the positivity. I really appreciate it, and it's been helping me get through this, because it has been really stressful. I mean, coming this far, thinking that I'm about to just be like traveling wherever, and then having to be stuck here for like 2 weeks straight, pretty much. So all the positive words really have helped. I really appreciate it, and yeah, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching. Please let me know down in the comments anything you guys want to see from us this year while we're traveling. I would love to hear from you guys on that. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.